In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Facebook ad post in Canva. First, prepare the ad format or design idea you want to use. In this workflow, that starts in ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter the prompt you're using to generate the ad content or design layout. This step is helpful because it gives you a ready-made structure to bring into Canva instead of starting from scratch. Once the response is ready, open the preview if your result includes one. Depending on your ChatGPT plan or current usage limits, preview and download options may vary. So if something looks unavailable, wait a moment or try again carefully. Next, click Download to save the generated file to your computer. Make sure you remember where it was saved because you'll need to upload it into Canva in the next step. Now go to Canva and sign in if you haven't already. From the Canva homepage, click Create at the top left. This is where you start a new design. In the search box, type Facebook ad. Canva will show preset sizes and templates designed specifically for Facebook ads. Choose the Facebook ad format that best matches your goal. Using the correct format is important because it helps your post fit properly when it appears on Facebook. After the design page opens, upload the file you generated earlier. If Canva shows an uploads area, use that to bring your file in. Once the upload finishes, you should see it appear in your available assets. From here, click Designs. If you want to explore layout options Canva provides for your ad. This can help if you want to combine your uploaded content with a more polished Canva template. Next, select the highlighted area in the design. This is usually the part of the template meant to be replaced or edited. When you click it, you should see editing options appear, which tells you that section is active. Now you can add your own product image or video. Simply place it into the design where the placeholder or highlighted section appears. If Canva asks whether to replace the existing content, confirm it. After that, your ad should start looking like a finished Facebook post. At this point, you can also edit the background, text, and highlighted elements. This is useful for matching your brand colors or making the ad easier to read. If the text blends into the background, adjust the colors or contrast so the message stands out clearly. If needed, click the highlight section again to make additional changes. Beginners sometimes click outside the element by mistake, so if the editing tools disappear, just click the object again to reselect it. Before you finish, quickly review the design. Make sure the image isn't stretched, the text is readable, and nothing important is too close to the edges. A clean layout usually performs better and looks more professional. Once you're happy with the result, download the final design from Canva in the format you need, usually PNG or JPG, for a standard Facebook ad post. And that's how you create a Facebook ad post in Canva. Thanks for watching.